what it was the reason for did you choose New Zealand?
Ah, it goes back to, I don't know, 30 years or more, because first time was, yeah, about 30 some years ago. Um, Before that, I was in Ireland, also sometime, and I had fishing, fly fishing. And then when I came back to the US and talking with people, and my fishing friend said, go to New Zealand. It's so far away. But because I was traveling around the world, so it doesn't matter. So I found a way to go. And that's the beginning of, when 30 years ago, and I've been there 30 times already, or something like that. And I lived in the car. I was just staying in the homestay kind of thing, and then you want to try different rivers. So I slept in the car, going here and here and here. So I covered all the rivers, many rivers in New Zealand, mainly in South Island. And eventually, I start to come up north 10 years ago or so, and I was still fishing and surfing and diving. I stayed there like 3 months or so. And then I was getting old, so I bought the house. So that's where I'm going. And I may stay there only 3 and 4 months or so. And when I go there, it's nearby the ocean, and I can walk down, climb down the hills, rocky hills, to go diving from my house. So
Okay.
I do the free diving and spear fishing to catch some fish. Sometimes, if I'm lucky, lobster. But if I'm unlucky, there are sharks around, so they come. But the sharks there is not so dangerous. Bronze whale, it's called.
Okay.
But it's a
Okay.
big one. It's a big
Yeah,
one.
the fishing is the common activity in Japan too, right?
Yeah, many people in the ocean, but the fly fishing, because of the population, many people do that. But I don't know, because in Japan things get so crowded. So New Zealand, not many people, and because I start to do the surfing at age 52, and when there's no wave, what to do? So I start to do diving and catching this and that, and then I got the big kingfish with a spear gun. It's a very small gun, but that's the beginning of getting into the spearfishing and the free diving. And it's a different world, above the water and below the water. There's
Ah,
lots of
okay.
activity, yeah, going on.
Yeah, yeah. So, how many years did you live in Japan?
Um, Altogether, I have lived in the United States more than in Japan. 40 some years outside. So it must be about no, yeah, 35 years or so. I was going back and forth from Tokyo to California with my work, and then things of that nature. But then, yeah, I finally came and decided to come in to the States in 1983,
Okay.
after I worked at the Boston Consulting Group, and talking about the production system and the strategy. And I read the book called In Search of Excellence. I don't know, maybe I mentioned to you. And there's a line said that people are not utilized well. So empowerment is important. So that's the reason why I jumped off from Japan to the US.